Hello guys! Yeah, good morning everyone! Good morning Sir Nel!
Good morning Sir Darrell and Happy New Year to all!
Happy New Year!
Yes.
This is as usual another vlog and this is also our first ever event
for
of the
this
year.
2025.
Ayan!
Ayan.
Kaya happy talaga yung New Year. Yes, of course, Sir Darrell. Okay, so nasan tayo Sir Nel? Ang ganda ng background natin.
Yes! We're here in
Oo.
Pangasinan. Particularly here in Calasiao, the Monarch Hotel.
The
Ayan.
Monarch Hotel here in Calasiao, Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Ang layo natin, no?
Yes.
Although we have branch here,
Yes,
may
Sir
branch
Darrell.
po ang Exceptional Events sa Pangasinan, which is based in Calasiao, no? Aside from our branch in Antipolo City naman.
Yes.
So, okay, ano gagawin natin dito, Sir Nel? Nasa hotel tayo eh.
Yan, particularly, nandito tayo sa hotel and then, ganito siya guys. Itong hotel, this is their preparation area.
Mhm.
Kasi inabil nila sa amin is medyo maraming services.
Marami.
Ayan.
Oo.
Bridal bouquet and entourage flowers.
Mhm.
On the day coordination,
Mhm.
reception and ceremony styling, and also gracing table.
Yan,
And
ang
andito
dami
tayo sa Monarch Hotel for the preparation
Yes.
pictorial ng bride.
So, ang
Ayan.
aga natin ngayon,
Yes,
Sir
Sir
Nel,
Darrell.
no? Pero since magkaiba po ang preparation venue namin dito sa Monarch
Oo.
Hotel, iba rin po ang church namin at iba rin po ang venue ng ating reception. Okay, so
Okay.
ako po ang mag-head ng coordination for today's
Yes.
event. Si Sir Nel naman ang bahala sa styling. So,
Yes.
ihahatid natin si Sir Nel muna mamaya, no? But babalik tayo dito sa Monarch. Ano? Anyway, papakita namin sa inyo yan sa mga reels namin, sa mga happening now na reels.
Yes.
Okay, so antabayanan niyo po yung ipopost. Naka-post na din, no? Kasi pagkatapos nito,
Naka-post
pag na-edit at na-upload tong video na to, makikita na
unang
nila.
pictures.
Mauuna
Yes,
yun,
yes.
ano? So, ayun po muna. So, panoorin niyo po ang time-lapse ng styling ni Sir Nel
Yes,
for the
sir.
church and reception. Ito na po ang aming time-lapse for today's event.
Stay, don't you go. You make my every cell flow, my every breath slow and cold. Yeah, that's how you make me feel I'm yours. You bring me up when I hear only radio static. Play me a song on repeat. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'll ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. Never let go, never let go. Never let go, never let go. Hey, don't you know? We all need someone to love, need someone to make it feel like home. You make me feel I'm home. You bring me up when I hear only radio static. Play me a song on repeat. You hit me like right now. You hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'll ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Never let go, never let go. No. Right now, you hit me like chemicals. I doubt I'm ever gonna let you go. To come down feels like a bitter antidote. Right now, hit me like chemicals. Right now, never gonna let you go. To come down like a bitter antidote.
And we're done! Yes!
Yeah, we're done!
Oh, tingnan mo naman yung bis ko.
Bis na bis.
Bakit?
Sir Daryl, bis na
Sabihin
bis.
mo kung bakit.
Bakit, Sir Daryl?
Kasi, meron tayong bonus doon sa ating bride and groom for
Naman, swerte ng
today.
bride and groom
May
natin.
pa-bonus tayo. I'm going to perform some songs for them
Wow,
during the
bilis naman,
reception
Sir
program.
Daryl.
Actually, I'm just waiting for my cue.
Yeah,
Nagsa-start
yeah,
na yung
yeah.
program,
Yeah,
ano?
yeah,
Oh, pero ikaw naman, sir.
Ganyan ka-generous sa Sir Daryl.
Yes.
Ang acceptable.
Yes, oo. So, ano, Sir Nel, ikaw naman. So, what is, ano nangyari ngayon? No, meron tayong
Ayan,
event
yes.
coordination.
Event coordination.
Meron tayong bridal
Bridal
bouquet
bouquet
and
and encourage
encourage
flowers. Ceremony styling.
Mhm.
And then reception styling.
Mhm.
And also gracing
Gracing
table.
table. At
Ayan.
May free performance po si
Yes,
Daryl
Sir
James.
Daryl. And then, ayan, yung ating theme for today's
Mhm.
wedding is more on, ano siya, yellow, green, light blue,
Okay.
terracotta, orange.
Dami.
Ayan, oo. Medyo gusto kasi ng couple natin, colorful yung kanilang wedding
Oo.
with touch of lemons.
Oh,
Ayan.
actually may live lemons
Yeah,
tayo.
may
no?
matutong lemons
Meron
tayo.
totoong
Ayan.
lemons sa mga tables.
Yes,
no?
yes, yes.
Nakuhanan mo ba ng picture?
Yes,
namin?
nakuha ng
How about video?
Yes, meron
Yung
din. And
pang-vlog
also
natin
the
sa
time
video.
lapse, meron din.
Ay, okay.
Oo,
So, huwag kayong
makikita
mag-alala
nyo,
kasi
yes.
makikita nyo po lahat yan sa aming mga social
Yes
media
po.
accounts. Lahat ng pictures, videos, makikita nyo yan sa aming mga social media. Katulad ng
Facebook at Exceptional Events.
Instagram
at Exceptional Events din.
Threads
Threads
at
at
Exceptional
Exceptional
Events
Events
din.
din.
Ano pa?
YouTube.
YouTube channel at Exceptional Events din.
And then
Ano?
TikTok. We have also TikTok.
Yan.
Yeah.
TikTok. Yun,
Nandun yung lahat ng
makikita nyo
videos
lahat yan.
yan. And also, we have our website.
Mhm.
Email and website.
www.exceptionalevents.com. Yan. Andun po lahat yung mga past clients namin, testimonials, and all that. Ano po? Pati po yung mga pictures na sinasabi namin,
Yes,
Sir
yes,
Nel, at
yes.
saka mga videos, nandun din po. At pag may nakita kayo at nagustuhan ninyo, agad-agad meron pong chat with us button doon. I-click nyo lang yan. Nag-iintay po kami dalawa ni Sir Nel para sumagot mismo.
Sa mga inquiries ninyo.
Ayan. At kung gusto rin naman nila mag-email, Sir Nel, meron din tayong email address syempre.
Yes.
Okay, ang email address po namin ay inquiry@exceptionalevents.com.
Yan.
So ano pa, Sir Nel?
Ayun, so far, yun yung ating conclusion ng ating events for today's
Yan.
Ah,
Nagsa-start na yung
New Year.
program
New
ng
Year, yeah.
reception.
Yan
no?
ang start.
Ayan, tama.
First event
This
kasi
is
natin.
our very first event this
This
year.
year.
Oo,
Yeah,
at nandito kami ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, Lucky Digno sa
Yeah,
Dagupan,
Dagupan
Pangasinan. Ayun. So, thank you very much to our bride and groom, Mr. Mark and Ma'am Irene.
For
Okay.
trusting Exceptional Events on your
Of
big
course.
day.
And their families as well.
Yes.
Ang babait ng families nila, no? And also, thank you to the Monarch Hotel. Okay? Lucky Digno. Kusina nila,
Yeah.
Lucky Digno.
GM Lights and Sounds.
JM
Aya
Lights
Lines,
and
Hair and
Sounds.
Makeup.
Aesthetics,
Ethics,
photography, and video.
and video.
Yun.
Yeah.
And
also,
also,
Andrea Hortaleza for the cake.
Yun.
Ayan.
Siyempre yung
Also for
church.
Church.
Saint
St. Michael
the Archangel. Yeah.
Ayan, dyan lang kapitbahay lang.
Ang dami po namin ngayon mga kasama. Ano? Kasama rin po namin ang Manila Styling Team together with the Pangasinan Styling Team. No? Ganito kalaki yung event natin ngayon, Sir Nel. So, sana po sa susunod na event at sa susunod na vlog, kayo na po ang aming kasama at event nyo na po ang aming i-exceptionalize. Ayan. So, until then, thank you very much for watching as usual. And syempre, we love you. Mwah!